Turn to some news of the day. Today, the Trump administration announced new restrictions on the use of fetal tissue for medical research. What's your reaction to that?
I think this is going to make it a lot harder for us to save the lives of our fellow Americans, to do the necessary research that will bring to bear the innovations that will help people who are today consumed by diseases for which there is no cure. This really important federally sponsored work taking place at universities across the country is the bridge for people who today are going to die from diseases for which we have no cure, and the cures that are being worked on in those laboratories. So this is an unfortunate decision, one which we would overturn in our administration.
On the issue of abortion rights, former Vice President Joe Biden says that he supports the Hyde Amendment, which bans federal funds for abortions. What is your response to that?
He's absolutely wrong on this one. The Hyde Amendment basically guarantees that lower income women and disproportionately women of color will not be able to access their full reproductive rights, health care, safe and legal abortion. As president, I will make sure that we repeal the Hyde Amendment and roll back the gag rule, which prevents doctors from being able to make the best possible referrals to their patients, in many cases for the health and life of the woman involved. We've got to make sure that when we're talking about universal, guaranteed, high-quality health care, we're talking about a woman's right, and every woman's right, no matter their income or zip code, to make their own decisions about their own bodies.
Would you support Joe Biden knowing that he backs the Hyde Amendment?
I hope that Joe Biden rethinks his position on this issue. Perhaps he doesn't have all the facts. Perhaps he doesn't understand who the Hyde Amendment hurts most. And again, it's lower income communities of color. I would ask that he rethink his position on this.
A new Quinnipiac